I have no idea what this Javelina has found. I'm in the car. I'm just coming back from a errand, and I have no idea what he's eating out of these boxes of joint compound and tape. It's probably not good for him. I don't know, maybe one of the guys threw his lunch in one of the empty boxes. These are the empty garbage boxes here. There are some more inside the garage that are stacked up. You see them in there. But anyway, found something to eat. And I apologize, there's a dirty windshield. I mean, this is right in front of the new garage Casita, and I mean right here, right there is my driveway, or my garage that I need to go in. Sorry, try to get that dirty windshield out of the picture. Oh Lord. Well, I hope he doesn't get sick or hurt himself. It's kind of weird that there's only one. He is definitely eating something. Let me go check another box now. And yeah, I'm recording this on my cell phone because I did not have my camera with me. Didn't expect this. He's checking them all. Watch for another few seconds, see what he does. Hopefully, he'll just run away. Man, he's making a mess. Look at all that stuff blowing around now. Man. Yeah, I can see water bottles. They must have left part of their lunch. Well, I think I'll end this and see if I can get in the garage without him coming into my garage with me. Alright, here we go. I'm just rolling into the garage and I'm looking at him out the side window now. So far, he looks like the only one. They raid garbage cans all the time, so see if he's going to go inside. Alright, well that's enough of that. Thanks for watching.